Students, welcome to Srigandhi Maths Academy. AJ Srigandhi is here. In this lecture, we are going to see a new point of algebra of matrices, that is a scalar multiple of the matrix A. That is, the point is multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Now, multiplication of matrix by a scalar. Scalar means what? Scalar means any constant value of k. In that value, we multiply the every element of a given matrix. Okay, let's see in details. Multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Let capital A be any matrix, and k is a scalar. Okay, let capital A be any matrix and k is a scalar. Here capital A is any matrix means what? Capital A has any order, 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 3, etc. Okay. Let capital A be any matrix and k is a scalar. Then the matrix obtained by multiplying each element of matrix A by a scalar k is called a scalar multiple of matrix A. Scalar multiple of matrix A. Okay. Let A be any matrix and k is a scalar. K is scalar means what? K is a any value. Okay, which is multiple of every element of matrix A. Then the matrix obtained by multiplying each element of matrix A by a scalar k is called a scalar multiple of matrix A. That is, that we see if A is equal to matrix of entries Aij of order m cross n, okay, and k is any scalar then ka is equal to k into A, means k into Aij of order m cross n, that is equal to, okay, k into Aij of order m cross n. Okay, suppose if A equal to matrix of entries of the form Aij having order m cross n, means there are m rows and n columns and elements of the form Aij, and k is any scalar, then if you multiply the matrix A by a constant k, then Ka is equal to k times matrix A. K times matrix A means k into entries of the form Aij having order m cross n. Then this constant k we multiply in the matrix A of each element, that is k into Aij having order m cross n, means here the order of matrix A m cross n, and also the order of matrix Ka is also m cross n, means the order of matrix and the scalar matrix are same. Here we write order of matrix A and order of matrix Ka are same. Okay, order of matrix A and order of matrix Ka are same. Now let us take one particular example to see this concept. Example, let A is equal to matrix 3 2 1 4 2 5. Now A is equal to matrix having entries 3 2 1 4 2 5 and k is equal to 2. k equal to 2. Then find ka, then find the ka. Okay, solution. Now here it is given that the matrix A is of order 3 by 2, means in matrix A there are 3 rows and 2 columns. Also it is given that the value of scalar k equal to 2. Now we have to find the value of matrix Ka, means here we multiply a matrix A, every element of matrix A by the scalar k. Let us see how to multiply. First we write the given part, solution. We have given A is equal to matrix 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 5 of order 3 by 2 and k equal to 2. To find k into A, where k is n scalar. Okay, k equal to 2. Let us find how to find the value of k. Okay, therefore ka is equal to, what is k? K equal to 2. Therefore in place of k we just put value 2. Okay, now what is A? A equal to matrix 3 by 2, having entries 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 5. Therefore in place of A we put the matrix A having all entries. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 5 of order 3 by 2. Now here we put value of k equal to 2 and value of A, that is matrix A. Now we have to multiply this scalar 2 by this matrix A. How we multiply? Multiply each element of matrix A by this scalar 2. Okay, therefore let's see how to multiply. Therefore 2 into matrix A is equal to matrix, now 2 into 3, 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 4, 2 into 2, 2 into 5, that is 2 into 3, 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 4, okay, 2 into 2, 2 into 5 of order 3 by 2. Here multiply each element of matrix A by the scalar 2, okay. Now simply calculate this part. Therefore this is equal to 2 into 3 6, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 5 10 of order 3 by 2. Therefore we get here 2 into matrix A is equal to this matrix. Okay, now therefore here we get 2 into A, that is scalar multiple of A, is equal to matrix having entries 6 4, 2 8, 4 10 is of order 3 by 2. This is how to multiply a scalar multiple to a given matrix. Okay, write down this all part.